In this video, let's talk about what is the difference after installing the wheel spacers on your Subaru Forester. Let's go.
Mostly, 15mm Subaru Forester wheel spacers improve performance and appearance. They create the necessary distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance, to solve the clearance problem of brakes, tires, roads, and other suspension components. If you plan to keep your current wheels and increase the offset of your car for enhancing the handling performance or aggressive looks, then 15mm Subaru Forester wheel spacers will be your ideal choice. With these 15mm Subaru Forester wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering, because pushing the wheels away enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, your Subaru Forester turns to get more stable, and handling usually improves too. The tire's lateral grip also improves. Quality 15mm Subaru Forester wheel spacers make the drive safer and more enjoyable. It is important to get Subaru Forester wheel spacers from a reputable manufacturer. Bonus has always insisted on independent design and continuously optimization to design Subaru wheel spacers that provide stronger performance, more functions, and a better customer experience. When installed, the Toyota Highlander wheel spacers become a necessary part of your wheel combination. They are there for safety, aesthetics, and performance. To make the removal process easier, bonus Subaru Forester wheel spacers come with disassembly grooves. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of wheel spacers. Each notch leaves a limited clearance between the brake rotor and the spacer. Place a screwdriver into the notch and you can simply apply force at an angle to separate the spacer from the brake rotor. This is good to protect your wheel hub from being damaged.
If you want to get the wheel spacers for your Vespa run, please make sure to see a link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.